Okay, so have you ever had a breakdown in court? I did. And I didn't understand that that's what it was, really. I knew I just couldn't figure out how to say 250,000 points. I couldn't even figure out how to say 60,000. When I looked at, I could write the number, but when I looked at 60,000, it didn't even look like that's what it was. And so I asked my son, I was like, I can't even say this number. What is this number? And I wanted to say it, but I just couldn't say it. And even during the time of the court, Judge Harrington still tried to make it seem like, my filings were disorganized and everything was pretty much my fault. At least that's what I interpreted. And I can't even think of the word that I want to use to describe, somebody who continues to taunt you, gaslight you, to make you feel like, it's your fault. When in actuality, case law, settled law says that it's actually loss and endure when the second judge owes it to the record to correct the first judge. He didn't want to. He actually said in open court he didn't want to change the order of Judge Hoffman. And, just with the mindfuckery, everything that they had been doing to me and still doing, it's just awful. It's hella draining, and I can't believe that I'm actually facing these white men, judges who are discriminating against me. And the Department of Justice has a False Claims Act they want people to file right now. So that's what I'm going to be doing, because I'm going into counseling because I need to make sure I can stay put together, because they didn't just mess with me, they messed with my kids too. I have young men, and they experienced these white judges, these two white judges, and I don't know the nationality of all the appellate judges. I know Judge Greta, she's a sister from somewhere, but even her, all of them were complicit. But anyways, my two sons were abused by these people. Even Krishna, my ex, the person who I helped, and we were supposed to be connecting